good morning to you. Yeah, Firday Mutter time. What a marvellous week. What with Two Wheel Tuesday, Stonham Barns, Crazy Horse as well, which I didn't get to, and glorious weather. I mean, this is making up for last year. I'm just praying that it doesn't turn all very wet like it did last year. Yeah, marvellous. Coming up, of course, is the DGR. I'm not here. But, as you know, Lillian is doing it. There's a link... Oh, sorry, a fly just flew into my helmet. There's a link in the description to a DGR. You just click on that. Go and give her some money instead of giving it for me, because she's riding it for me. Yeah. She's even done a little dance if you go onto Instagram. Yeah, did a little dance, her and Rob. Yeah, marvellous. Hey up, watch out. Dog, 2 dogs. Wonderful. It's like a slalom. Yeah, so do that. It's all for a good cause. Mental health, I need it. Yeah. That'd be marvellous. Been watching Helen All channels, of course I have, but I'll get onto them later on, providing I have time. Let's crack on with some photos. And Charlie, he sent us a picture. He said, here's a picture, caution, mud on road. Well, I can't see any mud on the road. Yeah, he sent us a picture of Andy's Royal Enfield V. Yeah, look at that, marvellous bike. Heskin Hall. Yeah. No, Charlie, I'm not stopping for you to look for a train. Yeah, great photo. Cracking photo. And, do you remember I mentioned about Nikki B? She sent us a picture of her old bike. I said, well, what's happened with your test? Well, she's passed. There she is there. Look, with Royal Enfield Classic 350 in powder blue, or Halcyon Grey, as Willie would call it. Yeah, absolutely marvellous. Which way shall I go? I went that way last time. Oh, I'll go that way again. Yeah. What else did I get? Oh, yeah, so Nikki passed the test. David W, yeah, returned to biking after being encouraged by watching all those YouTubers. Yeah, at 72. What he did was he moved to Pembrokeshire and got rid of his bikes about 3 years ago and thought, I'm not going to ride anymore. He said, but after watching all the YouTubers, he's gone out and bought himself a Super Meteor. Absolutely belting. Yeah. Jeff L as well, you know, Rob Little's mate. Yeah, marvellous channel, Rob. Don't put out as much as he used to, but I'm sure he will now that this weather's here. Yeah. Anyway, Jeff L went to the bike sanctuary, which isn't far apparently from Super Sausage. Oh, out the way, pigeon. Yeah. So, little aerial photo there of the bike sanctuary, yeah, for CF Moto and Benelli, you know, all that lot. Marvellous. Then what? AW? Yeah, AW got out. He went to Torrington. That was it. Absolutely marvellous on his Speedmaster. Yeah, I got himself a steak sandwich. No, he didn't. I can't remember who got a steak sandwich. But anyway, he got out on his Speedmaster. He came across a giraffe who was all nosy and wanting to know about everything. Yeah, marvellous. Hiding in the undergrowth. Then what do we get? Adam D. Yeah. Over there in Tasmania, yeah, finally got himself a bike. Yeah, look at that, bear, absolutely wonderful, absolutely cracking bike.
I
do like the Bear. I like it in that yellow though, with the blue seat, personally. Yeah. Jerry also sent us this. Yeah, Buddy learns about confidence. Yeah, marvellous. I don't know what the hell that is about. Looks like a good read though. Then what? Jim? Yeah. Banana Man, what do you reckon with his Super Meteor? He sent us some pictures. He said, there you go, Tame, wasn't it a cracking sunset on Tuesday? Yeah, and there he is with his Super Meteor. Well, he's not there, but his Super Meteor's there in the sunset. So I messaged him back. I said, yeah, funny, I had the same idea on the way home. And there's the BSA in the sunset. Doesn't that look a peach? Yeah, absolutely cracking photos. Pair of them, yeah. Then what? Oh, Richie, bikes you regret selling. This Harley, yeah, here he is, down in Essex. What was it? Softail or something. FSL, Harley Davidson. Absolutely marvellous. All the kiddie winks on the way to school. Then what do I get? Jeff, that was it. You know Jeff, he has that Interceptor, ploughing loads of money into it. He upgraded the front suspension because the roads are getting so bad. Well, now he's done the rear suspension, yeah, YSS shocks. Absolutely marvellous, he says, and I've made a difference. That's absolutely brilliant. Great photo, great bike, yeah. Oh, Ian Hughes, that was it, Ian Hughes. Sent us a picture of the classic 650 which he test rode again. Absolutely marvellous bike. I do like that bike, I really do. Very nice. Get over and watch his video. I hope we've got a learner. Bit nervous going through this bridge that you can get a bus through. Oh, look at the traffic here. What I might do is bring you back when I clear it. Yeah. Right, oh, there we go. Where was I? Oh, Ian, yeah, marvellous. Then what? Alex N, absolutely brilliant. Out on his BSA Gold Star, cracking bike in that greeny, bluey colour, yeah. Anyway, he went to Fanny Hands, yeah, dead end, absolutely marvellous. What can I say? Cracking photo. Then what did I get? Oh, GH in Norway. Yeah, he's back. He's been very busy. Not had opportunity to get some photos, but he has now. Here he is with his Speed Twin 1200, and it's brother from another mother, Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield Classic 500. Cracking bikes. Then what did I get? Oh, Bob J, yeah, absolutely marvellous. He sent us some pictures. He's from Ottawa, over in Canada. Sent us some pictures of his middle boy, yeah, his middle son, racing. Look at that, for, was it Scepter Yamaha or something like that? Spectre. So, I think it was Spectra or something like that racing team. And here he is doing a victory lap at Shannon racecourse, can't remember what it's called, and Mospel racecourse on the R1. Oh, cracking photos, I'm very proud, yeah. what a great hobby or career. I don't know. I'll just give you a little wipe in case there's some bugs. Then what? Oh, Dave. That's it. Dave went to Baffle House, yeah, and had a steak sarnie. Yeah, look at that in a bath. Yeah, absolutely marvellous. On that wonderful Bullet. Yeah, cracking day out, cracking ride. Isn't it amazing what you can do when you've got a motorbike? Just wonderful. And while we're on Dave B, he sent us a picture. Finally got my Norton back on the road. It's an ongoing project. Yeah, look at that, absolutely wonderful. 40 years he's had it, been tinkering with it, getting it better. Absolutely wonderful. And wasn't that a cracking black one that we saw? Yeah, the Roadster. Absolutely marvellous. IT as well. You know, IT, he went off and he had some more bits added to his T100. I'm dead jealous. He's gone and got the cruise control. He said it's absolutely marvellous. He went out, did a trip, 450 kilometres or something. I said it's just beautiful. Yeah, it went to Pudding Hill. He said if you ate a pudding that size, you'd be quite ill. Yeah, absolutely wonderful. What else as well? Oh, Neil W. Yeah, he sent us an email. He's been talking to Willie as well. He's very grateful for both me and Willie talking openly about mental health and the issues that we have. But anyway, he got out, went looking for a cemetery. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, high risk. Yeah, and there would be high risk on a Harley if there's S-bends in the way, and if oh, look at that dog, marvellous. Yeah, and it's skiddy. Cracking photo. Then what? Wally B. Yeah, absolutely marvellous. He said, I thought you might like to see this orange beast. Yeah, this is a massive pile of orange horsepower, not horse poo. Yeah, VTX 1800. Oh, absolutely marvellous, in one of my favourite colours. The traffic's bad this morning. I don't know what's up with people. Shall I bring you back? How fast is this gonna go? Anyway, no, let's crack on with photos and we'll get on to Wilson G. Yeah, absolutely marvellous. Wonderful bike, Suzuki GSX-8R. Got out for a picnic to Otago Peninsula, is that right? Cracking bike, and Mrs. Wilson G is in the background in one of those, I think. Yeah, absolutely marvellous. And oh, another marvellous dog. Everything's marvellous when the sun shines, isn't it? Last but not least, Warthog. The traffic is really bad, isn't it? I don't know what's gone on, but one of the advantages of having a motorbike is that you can just sort of bypass it all. So instead of sat there stressing, worrying about work and where you're going to park and what's causing this traffic jam, you can just scoot on by. Yeah, have we got anything coming up? Can't see anything coming up. I'll chance it. No, there we go, we've got a van, so I'll just wait here a moment. Yeah, Warthog, that's what I was on about. He got out to this church which was built in 1772. And he was looking around the graveyards. He says, and what is amazing, he says, is how many people died. The majority are 50 or under. Yeah, absolutely marvellous. Let's pinch a couple more, why not, eh? This will wind up some cars. Oh, we'll pinch this black one as well, because black cars tend to get wound up more than anyone. Yeah, cracking photo. Thanks for that, Mark. Absolutely brilliant. And you must be starting to get very excited about the TT. Yeah. Anyway, videos. That's what I wanted to talk about. Videos. Of course, the Bingley Wheeler has got some on about vibrations and stuff with the classic 650, I think. Oh, this is an awkward speed. I don't like that. Cracking video. Yeah, and Rye Forest Biker. Yeah, Dave J. Yeah, got it right, Dave. Oh, let's just stop here for a moment for no apparent reason. Yeah. Anyway, look. Anyway, do you know what? I've had enough of this. I'm gonna try and skip round. What are you doing? Thank you very much. Yeah. Anyway, look, if you're out on your bike avoiding the traffic, ride careful, stay safe, don't forget to look after your loved ones, and I will catch you in Monday's Mutter. Yeah, a bit higgledy-piggledy in it this morning. Ta-ta!